You know that adorable video of the girl who's obsessed with bats that pops up on our timeline every year near Halloween? If you haven't, honestly, where have you been? But just in case, I'll put a clip right here.
Look at, it's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
So here's the deal. I've always wanted to make a Halloween cake, but I've never really had an excuse to. But after seeing this iconic meme for like the 500th time, I decided I want to make a freaking bat cake. So that's what we're going to do. Keep watching.
I love Halloween.
So what I've done is I've prepared a vanilla 6-inch cake. You could do any flavor you want, any frosting flavor you want, but I just wanted to do plain and simple vanilla. I'll leave the recipe that I've used down below. This recipe uses a meringue buttercream, and I've actually really grown to love meringue buttercreams, whether it be a Swiss meringue buttercream or an Italian buttercream, because they're an absolute dream to work with. Another thing that I did is I added a tiny bit of black gel food coloring to the buttercream to kind of tint it gray, which I think will complement our bats really well. The first thing I'm going to do is assemble my cake. If you want to see a video a little bit more in depth about how I do this, I made a video decorating a cake a while back and you can watch that, but for now I'm just gonna get going on decorating this cake. I got these bats at my local grocery store. They came on toothpicks. I'm pretty sure they were for drinks, but I took them off the toothpick and I glued a little bit of floral wire into them. That way when we stand them in our cakes, it'll look a little more like they're flying, I guess. I also made, to fit with the meme aspect of this cake, a sign that says "It's freaking bats." I just wrote on gold paper, and I did the same thing with the floral wire, and this will go in the center of our flying bats. So now all that's left to do is scatter these bats into the cake and then add the sign and maybe some piping work if you want, and then that's it. The cake will be done. If you're having a Halloween bash, please make this. I don't think that it could get any more adorable. Plus, I do think that it'll be a crowd pleaser. You can't really go wrong with vanilla cake. If you think that this is cute and you like it, then stick around on this channel because I'm going to be making a lot more fall content like this. Thank you for watching, and everyone have a fun, safe Halloween.
I love Halloween.